My name is Safwan bin Muhammad Rusdi. I am from class 2 Haitham. Today, I want to interview my sister and my brother about a balanced diet. Hey sister, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Nurul Najiha binti Muhammad Rusdi. I am 19 years old. I am currently a student from UITM Campus Alugaza.
Can you explain to me what is balanced diet mean?
A balanced diet means getting the right type of amount of food and drinks to supply nutrition and energy for maintaining body cells, tissue and organs, and for normal growth and development. Balanced diet provides natural disease prevention, weight control, and proper sleep without any pills.
Okay. Why we need to have a balanced diet, sis?
Why do we need a balanced diet? This is because a balanced diet supplies the nutrients to your body to work effectively. Without a balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and low performance. Children who don't get enough healthy food may face growth and development problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infection.
Hi, this is my brother. Brother, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Muhammad Raif bin Muhammad Rusdi. I am 22 years old. I am a technician. My weight is 82 kilogram and my height is 173 centimeters.
Brother, can you explain what is balanced diet means?
Balanced diet means eating the right amount of a wide variety of food every day to fight infection and stress. For repair and healing, a balanced diet is the key to promoting health and well-being.
Okay. How do you maintain your healthy lifestyle?
Okay, how do I maintain a healthy lifestyle? I maintain my healthy lifestyle by taking a balanced diet that contains different kind of food in a certain quantity and proportion in my daily life. There are 7 essential factors for a balanced diet, which is carbohydrate, protein, fat, fiber, vitamin, minerals, and water.
Okay. Brother, do you have any suggestion to improve healthy lifestyle?
For me, we can avoid smoking to improve a healthy lifestyle because by smoking, it can increase the possibility to get many diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Other than that, the way that we can improve our healthy lifestyle is we exercise regularly. For example, jogging, playing badminton, and playing football. Unfortunately, because of this pandemic, we are advised to stay at home. So to replace those activities, we can do an exercise which are suitable to do at home, such as simple exercise and mini dumbbells.
The conclusion is we should practice balanced diet to prevent ourselves from the disease. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Stay home and stay safe.